We know that exercise and fitness are great for our body and our mind. But how can you stay consistent? How can you make sure that you're getting exercise each week? Did you know children over the age of 5 need 60 minutes of moderate to vigorous activity each day? This could be things like walking, riding your bike, playing outside, or doing organized activities like sports. In order to form good, healthy habits for exercise, here are a few things that you can try. First, make it part of your daily routine. Pick a time each day that you are going to make sure that you exercise. Second, do it with others. Find a family member or a friend who might like to exercise with you. Third, try lots of different things. You don't know which exercises or types of fitness that you might like. Try a lot and find the ones that you like the most. And fourth, spend time outside. Exercise and fitness don't always have to be an organized activity. Good and healthy habits mean that you'll be exercising and meeting those 60 minutes of vigorous to moderate activity each day.